Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of online noise? Every day, it's another guru shouting about how they made $1 million overnight. You see the flashy cars, the mansions, the exaggerated screenshots, and you just think, is any of this real? It's overwhelming, right? You start to wonder if there's a genuine, quiet way to build something for yourself without all the hype. What if I told you the key to a real, sustainable side income is already on your phone, waiting to be unlocked? The screen brightens, the WhatsApp logo glows gently, followed by a small, satisfying notification. $140 received. That's right. I'm talking about WhatsApp. Forget the complicated funnels and expensive ads. I discovered a simple, powerful way to connect with people, build trust, and create a real income stream right from my chat screen. It changed everything for me, and I packaged every single step into a system I call WhatsApp Money Made Easy. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting smart. With the WMME system, you'll learn how to find high-demand digital or physical products that people actually want to buy. You'll master the art of building genuine relationships and trust with your contacts, so selling feels natural, not pushy. I'll even show you how to host simple, effective classes right within WhatsApp that convert interested people into happy customers. This is about creating a predictable, scalable income you can count on, whether you want an extra few $100s a month or a full-time living. Inside the course, we'll cover everything step by step. From finding your perfect product, to crafting messages that get replies, to automating your follow-ups. But you won't be doing it alone. When you join, you get exclusive access to our private mentorship community. It's a supportive group of people just like you, sharing wins, asking questions, and holding each other accountable. We celebrate every success, big or small, because we're all on this journey together. Are you ready to stop scrolling and start building? Are you ready to turn your daily chats into a source of income and impact? Stop chasing the hype and start your real journey to financial freedom today. Click the link below to enroll in WhatsApp Money Made Easy. Let's build something real. Together, your journey starts now.